Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. This video is being shooted from the Dubai, UAE. Now, on the audience demand, I have brought up communication skill. Communication skill, why we need? Because there are three methods that we are communicating. The first one is the human, they are talking to himself, themselves. The second one, communication with the universe, or you can say communication with the eternal world. Third one is communication with the human world. Human world, we are going to talk about the corporate world. So in human world, in the communication, there are two methods. The first one is verbal, second one is non-verbal. In the non-verbal case, you have to maintain positive attitude. In the verbal, there are another two methods that is called written oral communication and written communication. So oral communication is required when you are meeting in person, and written communication when you are not able to meet your audience. In the written communication, we have to pay attention that there we need more skill. However, in the oral, so we have to pay attention, or we are trying to get skill in the oral and written in the corporate world, that what we speak and what we write. So there are 10 suggestions that how we can improve our skill. So first one is listen, listen, listen. The second one, think before you speak, know your audience. The third, write things down, be brief yet specific, maintain a positive attitude and a smile. Body language matters, treat everyone equally, check your message before you hit send. And then the last, the communication when written is going to fail, it is better to speak. So sometimes it is better to pick up the phone. Now we will go into the detail. The first one is listen, listen, listen. That means we have to listen more rather than to speak. As I always said in many videos that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. That means the Creator, the God, clearly indicates that we have to listen more rather than we speak. Then the second one is write things down. As much as you are writing what you are speaking, your communication skill getting better to the best. Then the third one is body language matters. If you are meeting in person, if you are addressing a meeting, if you are addressing to the mass of the people, at that time whatever you are speaking, your body should show or show in the same direction, same language. Then think before you speak. This is however need more practice that how you speak. But it is saying when you are speaking, take a pause in the middle and just think that what you are saying. So pause doesn't should go longer, but in your mind it should be continued that you are thinking or you are understanding what you are speaking. Then be brief yet specific. When we are going to speak, you must concern, you must care that you are not speaking 1,000 words in place of 100 words. So it should be short and concise. Next one is treat everyone equally. That means whenever you are communicating, whenever you are talking, respect everyone. Know your audience. This is the most important in the corporate world, that you must know your audience, that what language, what words they understand, its meaning, how they are explaining. Then maintain positive attitude and a smile. When you are addressing to a public or to a mass people or some of the people that is from the different area, so always you should have positive attitude and as much as possible your face should smile. Then check your message before you hit send. That clearly means that you write a mail, write a memo and review it, that whatever you are writing having the same meaning to the audience that you have written. Then sometimes it is better to pick up the phone. That means it is not necessary that you are keep writing, or sometimes it happens that you are sending a mail and you are getting the response mail, but the matter doesn't sort out and you again writing the mail. So if you are speaking twice, or if you are writing twice or thrice on the same subject, at that time it is always advised that better you make him call, meet him in person and clarify the fact. So it is better stop writing and start speaking whatever the medium available to you. That's all. Thank you very much. I will wait your comment that how you perceive this video. That's all. Bye bye.